friends, happy Thursday. I hope everybody's doing amazing. And today I want to share with you another project, and this is a Dollar Tree DIY, and we are doing a DIY nightlight. We did one yesterday. Yesterday's was the theme of cowgirl, and this one is a mermaid theme. Like I said, I have a few of these to do. I'm getting them prepared for Easter baskets so that I'm not at the last minute trying to do them. With all the home improvements I have going on right now, I need to get all of this stuff done. I'm going to be doing also, once I get the night lights done, I'm going to be doing some Starbucks tumblers, but they are going to be the snow globe tumblers. So I'll show those, and I'm gonna just get everything ready so that when Easter comes, I have it all done. So, but today, like I said, we're doing this mermaid theme. So if you didn't see yesterday's video, I love these because these are LED lights, so they don't get hot. You can use whatever medium you want. Now again, I am sealing these with UV resin because it's what I like. You don't have to. You can seal these with Mod Podge, polyacrylic, crystal clear spray, whatever works for you. And then on this one, on the back, I did a silver glitter, and it is cleared, sealed with Mod Podge. So I wanted, on this one, I wanted it to be like a watercolor type of effect, and I used a tattoo for the image, and then I did a little bit of bling with some Dollar Tree bling. I put Mod Podge down before I put those on, and I love how this turned out. So cute. Let me show you. So here we are up close. I used the bubble technique in my UV resin before I put on my decal, put a few little pieces in there, and then here is the whole thing. And then in the back, I did some silver glitter, as you can see. And I sealed it with Mod Podge, and this came out so cute. Now, just to give you different ideas, I am going to share all the ones that I'm doing for Easter baskets, and I hope you like it. So if you want to see how I made this one, just stay tuned and we will put it together. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and hey, hit the subscribe button, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, please. I appreciate it so much. All right, friends, so we're starting off with our front piece already painted. I used a watercolor based paint that I got from Walmart, and I wanted it to be streaky because that's the look I was going for. And now I put some Mod Podge on the back, and I'm adding Glitter Chimp's Classy glitter to this. It's a chunky silver. Now at the end of this video, one thing I didn't show you is that I do go back, and once this dries, I do seal it with another layer of Mod Podge. So I let it dry completely and then seal it with another layer of Mod Podge. Of course, I put a barrier underneath to catch my glitter when it was all done. Now, over this painted part, I'm going to put a layer of hard type UV resin, and I'm just going to, just a little bit, and then smooth it out all the way because I'm going to do the bubble technique. So I don't put it under the light just yet. I am going to take a cup of water with soap in it. I blow bubbles in that cup of water, take my spoon, and then just grab my bubbles and put them on top. I use this anytime I'm making scales and different stuff like that. I use this to make a moon for a NASA phone grip. Like, this is a really fun technique that I use all the time. And then put it under the light until the bubbles completely burst on their own, and then you could see the pattern there. And then I'm going to take some mica powder, and I like to use a makeup brush when I'm doing my mica powder, and I just brush over it. So first I'm going to do some white, and then I'm going to do a little bit of pink in places and a little bit of blue. Again, like I said, I want this to have like a really airy watercolor type of look to it. And then as I brush all my different colors on and I like how it looks, you use whatever you want. Then I'm going to seal this with some UV resin over top of it. Again, it's my Resin Rockers hard type UV resin because I want a nice smooth surface. Right now this is a rigid surface and I want it to be nice and smooth so that I can put my decal on it. So I'm just going to give it a nice little layer, smooth it out really well, and then it's going to go under the light for 4 minutes. Once it sets and it hardens under the light, then I'll bring it out. I'm going to have a wet paper towel ready to apply my decal. Now on this, I am using a tattoo that I did get from Amazon, and I am just applying it to the surface of my project. So here it is, it's all done. The colors are beautiful. I'm just gonna cut my tattoo to fit. Make sure that you take off that front plastic piece so that your image will adhere. And then, like I said, I just use a wet paper towel, put it over for a few seconds, doesn't take long, and then peel my piece off. And then after I peel my piece off, I am going to put another covering of the UV resin hard type on it and put it under for 4 minutes. And then I decided to do some other little embellishments on here after I was done filming. And I put, the bling on there. It's just from the Dollar Tree. I put Mod Podge underneath it and then put the bling on, as well as put some Mod Podge on the back of this. And let everything dry. Use my heat gun to get rid of any bubbles. Again, put it under for 4 minutes. And then after that, that's when I added on any embellishments that I wanted to put on. Have a great day, guys. Bye.